Mathematics Class 12, Chapter 6, Application of Derivatives, Exercise 6.5, Question number 4. Prove that following functions do not have maximum or minimum value. Number 1, Roman number 1, f(x) equal to e power x. For maximum or minimum value, we have to differentiate. So f dash s is equal to derivative of e power x is e power x. Now we know that x value you take anything, you take negative, positive or 0, but this answer will never come 0. If I take 0, e power 0 is 1. If I take negative value also it will not come 0. If I take positive value of x, it will not come. So what we can say that therefore it has no critical point. Therefore functions do not have maximum or minimum value. Roman number 2, gx is equal to log x. First we'll find the derivative, so g dash x is 1 by x. Again, we know that the domain of the logarithmic function is r positive numbers, okay, r plus. So there is no critical point, or for no value 1 by x will become equal to 0. So we say that no critical point, so the function has got no maximum, no minimum value. Roman number 3, hx is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. I'll find the derivative, so x cube is 3x square, x square is 2x plus 1. Then we will solve it using the quadratic formula. Okay, so for critical point f dash is equal to 0, I will equate 0 and I'll use the use the quadratic formula. So I will use the discriminant. So delta is equal to square root of b square minus 4ac. Now b is 2, that is 2 square. 4, a is 3, so 3 into 1. 2 square is 4 minus 12. 4 minus 12 is minus 8, which is imaginary number and it's a complex number. Okay, you will not get the real number. So we can say that it has no maximum or minimum. So we have proved all three functions have got neither maximum nor minimum. Question number 5. Find absolute maximum and or minimum in the given interval. So now when you have to find maximum and minimum, so it is enough to do first derivative. After doing the first derivative, you put the endpoints, and after finding the first derivative, equate with 0, and what you find the value of x, that you place in the given function. And among those numbers which is the greatest, you call absolute maximum, and among those which is the least, you call absolute minimum. So first I will take fx equal to x cube. So I will differentiate. So f dash x is equal to 3x square. Now for critical point, f dash x has to be 0. That means 3x square equal to 0. So 3x square 0 means x equal to 0. That means now I will put x value as 0, x value as minus 2 in 2 and 2 in the function fx equal to x cube. Okay, see, putting x equal to minus 2, 0, 2 in fx equal to x cube. So you put f of minus 2 first. So minus 2 cube is minus 8. Then put 2, so 2 cube is 8. Then put 0, so 0. So among these I can see that this is the highest and this is the lowest. That means this is the absolute maximum at 2 and this is the absolute minimum at minus 2. This is minus 8 and this is 8. Okay, absolute maximum at x equal to 2, value is 8, and absolute minimum at x equal to minus 2 and value is minus 8. Roman number 2, fx is equal to sin x plus cos x belongs to 0 to pi. Differentiate first, sin derivative is cos plus cos derivative is minus sin. For critical point, f dash x has to be 0. So this equal to 0. I'll transfer sign here, becomes plus. Now here cos, here sin. So converting sin into cos by using the formula cos pi by 2 minus x. So I can compare x and x pi by 2 minus x. Then minus x to transfer here becomes plus. So 2x equal to pi by 2. Divide by 2, so it becomes pi by 4. So I get the value of x is pi by 2. Now what we have to do is x equal to pi by 2, x equal to 0 and pi. All these three values you put here and see which is the highest and which is the lowest. So putting x equal to 0, pi by 4 in fx sin x plus cos x. First I put 0. So sin 0, cos 0. Sin 0 is 0 plus cos 0 is 1. So answer is 1. Then put pi, sin pi plus cos pi. Sin pi is 0, cos pi is minus 1. So answer is minus 1. Then put pi by 4. So sin pi by 4, cos pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 by root 2. This 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Divide by root 2. 1 root 2 you cut. So root 2 value. So this value is 1.732. One value is 1, one value is minus 1. So among these three we can say this is the highest value, this is the lowest value. So absolute maximum value is 1 at x equal to 0. Okay, this one. And absolute minimum value is minus 1 at x equal to pi. Here minus 1 and here is pi. Roman number 3, fx is equal to 4x minus 1 by 2 x square, x belongs to minus 2, 9 by 2. So first I'll find the derivative of 4x is 4 minus 1 by 2 x square is 2x. So 2 cuts, so x, so 4 minus x. For critical point, f dash x has to be 0, that means this x to be 0, that means x is equal to 4. Now we'll put the value as usual, minus 2, 9 by 2 and 4 in the given function these, and check which is the highest and which is the lowest. So first put minus 2, so 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, minus 2 square is plus 2, so minus 2 square is plus 4, so 4 by 2, 4 by 2 means minus 2, and minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10. Then now I'll put the value 9 by 2, the second point. So 9 by 2, 4, 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 9 by 2 whole square. 9 into 4, 36 by 2, 81 by 8. Okay, I am not cutting here because I want to take LCM. LCM is 8. So multiply by 4 here. So 144 minus 31 by 8. Simplify, you get 63 by 8. Divide, so 7.8. Then we'll put 4 here, 4 square. So you get 16. Here 16 by 2, that is 8. And 16 minus 8 is 8. So among these three I can see this is 8, which is maximum, and you can see the minimum is this one, okay, minus 10. So minimum value is at x equal to minus 2 and value is minus 10, and maximum value is 8 and at 8 and it is at x equal to 4. Absolute maximum is 8 at x equal to 4 and absolute minimum is minus 10 at x equal to minus 2. Roman number 4. Fx is equal to x minus 1 whole square plus 3, x belongs to minus 3 to 1. First differential, so x power 2, so 2 x minus 1, x will be 1, plus 3 is 0. For critical point, f dash x has to be 0, that means this is 0, so 2 you can cancel, x minus 1 equal to 0, minus 1 you transfer, so x equal to 1. Now we have to put x equal to 1, here minus 3 1, so only 2, and this also I got 1. So both the values you put here and see which is the maximum and which is the minimum value. So put x in this way, I put first minus 3, so minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 whole square plus 3. So 16 plus 3 is 19, which is absolute maximum. And I put 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 square is 0, plus 3, so 3, so absolute minimum. Okay, so these two value we got, absolute maximum, absolute minimum. Question number 6. Find the maximum profit a company can make if profit function is fx is equal to 41 minus 72x minus 18x square. Okay, I'll differentiate first. So 41 will be 0 minus 72, 18 2s are 36x. Okay, so this is the one. If I find second derivative, this will be 0 minus 36, x is 1. For critical point, f dash x has to be 0. So I put this, f dash x is this, equal to 0. Minus 72 you transfer here, plus, minus you transfer, so minus comes here, and I am transferring 36. It will go in the denominator. When you cut it, you get minus 2. So x value is minus 2. Now I'll check whether this is minimum or maximum. So put this in the second derivative. So I put here, but here there is no x, so answer is minus 36, which is negative. If it is negative, that means maximum profit. Okay, so now I'll find what is the profit, the value. So in this function, you have to put x is equal to minus 2. Maximum profit is f of minus 2 is equal to 41 minus 72 minus 2 minus 18 minus 2 square. Only just putting in this function. Best, instead of x, putting minus 2. So this is 41, this is 144, this is 72, and this is 113 units. The maximum profit is 130 units. So that is the answer for question number 6. Question number 7. Find maximum and minimum value of function in 0 to 3 interval fx is equal to 3x power 4 minus 8x square x cube plus 12x square minus 48x plus 25. First differentiate, 3x power 4 is 13 x cube minus 8 3s are 24x square plus 12 2s are 24x minus 48, this is 0. I'll take 12 common, so here x cube, here 2x square, here plus 2x minus 4. Now for minimum or maximum value, this has to be 0, just like critical point. So that means 12 x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. 12 you can just transfer. Now I have to find the factor of these. Okay, so I will use the method. We will find the first factors of 4. This we have done in class 10. Okay, the factors of 4 are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4. Now I have first put 1 and minus 1, but I checked this. Answer should come 0, but I am not getting answer 0 when I put plus 1, minus 1. Next I am putting x equal to 2. So when I put here 2, 2 cube is 8. minus 2 into 2 square, 4 into 2, 8. 8 and 8 cancel. Then again I put here 2 into 2, 4, minus 4, 0. So when I put x is equal to 2, that I'm getting this value as 0. Okay, I have done heat and trial. So when I get 0, that means one of the factor is x minus 2. Okay, but that is not the only answer. I have to find the second factor, so I will do the actual division. So actual division is done by, see, we have done in class 10, just doing here x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 4, here x minus 2. So first I'll take x square. So x square minus x square into x is x cube, x square minus into 2 is minus x square, minus 2x square. So this will cut. I'll bring this down. Now here is 2x, so I'll multiply by 2, so plus 2. Okay, so 2x, 2 into 2, 4. So it will become 0. So the factors are, one is this and one is this. So I have written x minus 2, x square plus 2. Now for f dash x, okay, so I have written here. Now f dash x is equal to x minus 2, x square plus 2 equal to 0. But now, see, this cannot be equal to 0, because if I equate x square plus 2 equal to 0, I will get x square value as minus 2, which is again imaginary number, so we have to neglect. So I will consider only this x minus 2 equal to 0, so x value you get as 2. Now we will put this, that I will put 2 also, then I will put 0 also, and 3. All this in this, and find what is the maximum and minimum value. So first I am putting 3. So 3 power 4, that is 81 into 3, that is 243. 3 square, that is 27 into 8 is 2160. Then 3 square, that is 9. 9 into 16 is 108. 48 into 3 is 144 plus 25. You simplify, you get answer 10. Then I put 2. So 2 cube, 2 power 4 is 16. 16 into 3 is 48. 2 square, 2 cube is 8. 8 into 8 is 64. 2 square is 4. 4 into 6, 12 is 48. 48 into 2 is 49. Sorry, 96 and 25. When you simplify this, you get minus 39. And when I put 0, so 0, so you can directly put, see, if you put 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, so get 25. So I have directly written 25. So among these three answers, one is 10, one is minus 39, one is 25. Among these three, minus 39 is the minimum, so this is minimum value, and 25 is the maximum, so this is the maximum value. Okay, so we'll keep this much today. Thank you very much.